Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here from AG Dillon & Co. Pre-IPO prices are in for the week. Pre-IPO stocks outperformed the S&P 500 for the week. Klarna was up big, Revolut was down big. All this for the week ending 09 December 2022. All right, let's get into the numbers. Pre-IPO stocks were down 55 basis points last week compared to negative 3.77% for the S&P 500 and negative 4.06% for the S&P 500 growth. A great week for pre-IPO stocks, relatively speaking. Quarter to date and year to date and 1 year numbers still are way off the benchmarks. The growth at $10,000 chart doesn't look great either versus the benchmarks as we started to roll off the big pops that we saw in pre-IPO stocks in November of 2021, notably OpenSea, which had a huge run up in the fourth quarter last year. That said, Klarna, the buy now pay later fintech, put up a big number last week, up 9.14%. Databricks, the data analytics shop, posted a positive 3.3% return last week too. But four pre-IPO stocks were materially down for the week. Carta was down negative 2.24%. Stripe was down negative 3.94%. Discord negative 5.01%, and Revolut down 7.95%. The year-to-date returns are a bloodbath too, with Klarna and OpenSea leading the downward charge. The only bright spot in this whole year has been SpaceX, which is up 33.3%. SpaceX is a darling in the space. Spotlighting the big winners and the big losers for this past week. Klarna was up over 9% this past week, but as you can note from the year-to-date chart, in this 2-year chart that we're looking at here, the stock is down significantly. It's down 51% since the beginning of 2021. So even before that big kind of run up last year, it's still down from the start of that. And Revolut had a tough week this past week as well. And its longer term performance is not pretty either. It's down 54.22% year to date. Most of the pre-IPO stocks had massive run-ups in 2021, and now that they're kind of like falling back down to earth, I believe we're going to continue to see these big negative return numbers in pre-IPO stocks until we roll past this brutal first half of 2022. I am working over with the partners at 8View to get historical numbers, pricing numbers as well. So once we get those, hopefully we'll have a 3-year and a 5-year and maybe even a 10-year number for these names too. I do expect that some of those longer-term time frames will still be up. From a price return perspective. All right, visit agdillon.com for more pre-IPO stock research. This Week in Pre-IPO Stocks is a part of AG Dillon & Co., a venture capital asset manager. Give me a shout to learn how you can invest into pre-IPO stocks through our venture capital funds built specifically for individuals and financial advisors.